Whenever you have a quadratic and a horizontal line, you have the ability to work out the intersection of the two. Just like when you have a quadratic and a diagonal line, you can work out the intersection of the two, or a quadratic with another quadratic, you can work out the intersection of the two. In this video, let's look at this case here where you have a horizontal line, y equals 5. So to work out the intersection of the two, set the two values, the two y values should be the same. So that will then give you this, and then now somehow just solve this. So get everything to equal 0. So take away 5 from both sides. So that will be x squared minus 8x negative 6 equals 0. Now divide everything by 4 because you want the coefficient here to be 1. So divide everything by 4. So that would be x squared minus 2x divided by 4 would be 3 over 2 equals 0. So now complete the square. So completing the square, I'm expecting you to know how to do this by heart. So completing the square will always be half of this thing here. So that will be x minus 1 squared. Take away this thing squared, which will be 1. And then carry this thing down. So that would be 3 over 2 equals 0. I'm expecting you to know how to complete the square. So I'm expecting you to know how to do that. So now single number, merge them together. So imagine the 1 as 2 divided by 2, because 2 divided by 2 is the number 1. Now that the two denominators are the same, minus 2 take away 3, that would be minus 5. That would be minus 5. And then now rearrange it all in one go, make x a subject. So in your mind, add 5 over 2 to both sides, square root both sides, you would get the positive version and the negative version, and then add 1. So that's your answer here. So what that means is, looking at the number 1, so 1 is somewhere around here. 1 is somewhere around here. If you add that square root thing, it would take you to here, the intersection of the two. It would take you to this location here. And then looking at 1, if you take away that square root thing, it will then take you to here, the intersection of the two. It will take you to this location. So you've got your two x values there. Okay.